guys, this is Crystal from KC Studio, and today we are going to open this Gyarados tin. I actually won this from an arcade, and took off the plastic, and then I'm like, wait a minute, I'm going to do an opening on it here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and do it. So we have this hollow. Let's put that aside. And we got two breakpoints, one Primal Clash, and XY Furious Fist. So let's do the breakpoints first. So let's see. We have there you go. I'm not sure if it's focused right now, but here's Squirrel, Cursola, Rattata, Cricketot, Numel, and a Luxray. And then another Luxray. This is a break, I think, yeah, that is. And this is our, I forgot what it's called. But anyways, this is Luxray and a trainer Delinquent. That's our rare Luxray, sorry. And the trainer Reverse Valley and Sigalith. So there's that. And moving on to the next one. Now I know why you guys do this. Okay, so we have Trubbish, Ferroseed, Furfrou, another Corsola, Chikorita, Perugly, and trainer Great Ball, trainer Delinquent, and a reverse holo is Meowstic, and our rare is Hypno. Ooh. And on to the Primal Clash. Okay, so we have Trapinch, Vulpix, Spheal, Honage, Hippopotas. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. It's like a clay charm. A Bouffalant, Rare Candy, Bibarel, Reverse Holo Lotad, and our rare is Starmie. And on to the last one for Furious Fist. Machop, Makuhita, Gothita, she's so cute, Magmar, Pikachu. I think I have 3 of these already. Special Energy, Watchog, Super Scoop Up, Reverse Holo Super Scoop Up, and a rare would be Breloom. So that's it, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.